Okay, we're gonna wait for this wave and then we're gonna fly, okay? I tell you Gelato, then you tell me wait. Okay, we gotta go deeper in to get the real flying experience. We gotta go deep. Okay, this is deep enough. Then Gelato comes. Vin, come here! I'm making a video! Jeez. You wanna see what it looks like underwater? Let's see. Oh, man, that hurts. We're in Florida, for damn sure. This is the Gulf of Mexico, baby. Holy smokes. These waves are gonna kill me. God. And it brings up the sand so it gets close. My swimsuit pocket. Whew. Okay, we're gonna sit right here. Can you see that big? Okay. That is a hard video to perform. And my brother there, he's a complete psychopath. He does anything to be psycho. Man, look at this way! This is probably the best time in my life. I love swimming, but waves are the best thing. The waves are the best part. And you have to be careful from undertow. That just sucks you in. It just sucks you in. Okay. Like, subscribe, click notification bell. Peace.